Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to take a look at Chiliz news and price prediction. Disclaimer: this video does not encourage you to buy any of the cryptocurrencies or investing at all. This is just the opinion of an amateur, not a financial advisor. Before investing in cryptocurrency, I recommend talking to your financial advisor and doing your own research. But before we get to the price prediction, I just want to quickly run through the most frequently asked questions. What is Chiliz? Chiliz is a leading digital currency for sports tokenization, powering the world's first scalable fan engagement and rewards app where fans can buy and trade branded fan tokens as well as vote in club-focused surveys and polls. Chiliz.net is the world's first cryptocurrency exchange for sports, allowing crypto enthusiasts and traders to speculate and trade fan tokens. Will Chiliz have a public sale? Chiliz raised all funds through private placement in 2018, meaning that there was not and never will be a public sale. How much did Chiliz raise? Chiliz raised just over $66 million through private placement in 2018. What is the total supply of CHZ? 8,888,888,888 CHZ. So 8.8 billion. What is the relationship between Chiliz and Binance? CHZ is listed on Binance. Follow the link in the description for a Binance 20% discount on every trade. What is Socios.com? Socios.com is the world's first fan influence and rewards platform that helps sport entities achieve digital transformation through blockchain technology. Socios.com is powered by the Chiliz token, both an ERC20 utility token on the Ethereum blockchain and BEP2 token on Binance chain. Fan tokens are specific to a team or a club and are a finite digital asset that provides access to an encrypted, immutable ledger of voting and membership rights ownership. The tokenized fan voting platform uses fan tokens, which operate on a separate permission sidechain. The fan tokens are limited in number and are fungible, meaning their ownership can be traded and their price is driven by the market. The venture was inspired by the fan-led management frameworks or Socioz of some major football clubs. Dubbed Socioz 2.0, the platform simply represents the digitization of this model of management. Why would football clubs, esports teams, and other gaming organizations partner with Socios.com? Socios.com is building a global community of sports fans united by their passion for the game and their passion for their team. Using innovative technology, we're creating a closer connection between the fans and the clubs by supercharging the way they interact with their team. Through Socios.com, supporters are able to directly influence club decisions. From choosing merchandise designs, in-game banners, naming a training ground, or even choosing a goal celebration song, fans vote through Socios.com, and whatever the outcome, the club will honor the decision of the fans, all while earning rewards and once-in-a-lifetime experiences. Does Chiliz have any competitors? Despite more and more companies entering this space, Chiliz is already more than 2 years old, has a product, thousands of users, and unrivaled partnerships with some of the biggest names in the sporting world. How up-to-date is your white paper? Our white paper is modified and updated according to business needs. The history of modification is always included on the last page. How do you plan to use your advisors and shareholders? We have focused on securing advisors who will help us to develop the business, design our products and services, and to build our network. Why did you choose to use blockchain technology? For us, blockchain was the most practical and eloquent way to unite the needs of maintaining voting integrity and transparency with turning voting rights into an ownable commodity. The Chiliz token, CHZ, is both an ERC20 utility token on the Ethereum blockchain and BEP2 token on Binance chain. The tokenized fan voting platform uses fan tokens, which operate on a separate permission sidechain. The fan tokens have a finite supply and are fungible, meaning their ownership can be traded and their price is driven by supply and demand in the market. Fan tokens are specific to a team or a club and are a finite digital asset that provides access to an encrypted, immutable ledger of voting and membership rights ownership. How do you plan to develop the votes token on the permission chain? There are a lot of similarities between fan tokens and any cryptocurrency token. Both are tokens created in an Ethereum blockchain, for example. in the main Ethereum network for the Chiliz token and in the Chiliz permission sidechain for fan tokens. You can view the block explorer for the Chiliz sidechain here. But the similarities don't end there. There will be a limited supply of Chiliz. They can be owned, they can be transferred from one owner to another, they are fungible, and they have a price driven by the market. For all those reasons, fan tokens are minted on the Chiliz permission chain. Please let us know about the advantages and disadvantages of a permission chain. A POA chain is more secure. An attacker with an unwanted connection or hacked authority cannot overwhelm a network, potentially reverting all transactions. Less computationally intensive, proof-of-work mining, which provides security, requires a lot of computation. More performant, proof-of-authority consensus provides lower transaction acceptance latency, and more predictable. Blocks are issued at steady time intervals. How experienced is your development team? Our team has more than 20 years of web and platform development, including major gaming and payment solutions. We embrace blockchain technology like any other technology we've used in the past. Is it possible to disclose regular business and blockchain development progress? We have always been very transparent in reaching our milestones and sharing our journey with the community, while still retaining commercial confidentiality, and we will continue to do this. However, we of course have to be careful that the information we share cannot be used by potential competitors in the future. Is there a precedent for having fan-controlled teams and events? Has the idea ever been shown to work? In conventional sports, as mentioned above, the notion of having large numbers of fans either direct top-level management decisions or, going a step further, owning small pieces of the teams they love has existed in many different forms. In fact, Socios.com is inspired by the Socioz or democratic management frameworks of clubs like Real Madrid, FC Barcelona, FC Bayern Munich, and even the Green Bay Packers, the only publicly owned franchise in the NFL. Alright, so now let's get to the price prediction. Chiliz has been trading in a descending pattern since its all-time high of 94 cents on March 12th. The digital asset seems ready for a breakout as the entire cryptocurrency market turned bullish in the past 24 hours. Chiliz price must crack this key resistance level to jump higher. On the 4-hour chart, Chiliz has established a descending parallel channel with its upper boundary located at 0.507 cents. Bulls have managed to defend the middle trend line and aim for a breakout towards 0.572 cents, which is a 12% move calculated using the height from the top trend line to the bottom one. The in-out of the money around price IOMAP chart shows a strong resistance area between 0.494 cents and 0.508 cents, which coincides with the upper trend line of the pattern. There is another strong resistance point at 0.531 cents, according to the IOMAP, which means that CHZ could briefly pause, therefore its final upswing to 0.572 cents. However, the IOMAP chart also shows fragile support below 48 cents. If the bulls can't see a breakout soon, CHZ could quickly drop towards the lower boundary of the descending channel at 40.5 cents. We really hope this video was interesting to watch and gave you some info about this topic. Thanks for watching.